Hi people, and it's 5 in the morning, and I'm going to take a bath right now, and then after that I'm going to wear those uniforms. Yeah, it has a logo of our school. Yeah. So after taking a bath, I'm going to wear these uniforms, and I'm going to go to school. It's the first day of school year, and yeah. And I am so sad about what I've heard about the mass shooting in the US. Especially, it's a gay club, and I am a gay person, so it's kind of pretty sad to hear that. So I'm on my way to school right now. It's alright. This way. I'm on my way now on my cousin's house. As you're going to see, I'm still in my uniform, and I'm on my way home. I mean, my cousin's house. I'm in my school right now, waiting for my professor. As you're going to see, I'm in my school. It's weird. And that other building is high school and elementary. So I'm at the speech laboratory right now, and it's kind of pretty big. It's like we're in a call center or something. So yeah. People, it's 8 in the morning, and we're about to have an earthquake drill today. Exact 9 in the morning, and
Storm surge ay yung paglampas ng tubig dagat sa normal na level, sanhi ng malakas na hangin at mababang atmospheric pressure dahil sa tuloy-tuloy na
and we
matinding
only have
pagbuhos ng
7
pag-ulan.
minutes
Kung mayroong paparating na
before
oras,
the
habang may sapat pang panahon, lumipat agad tayo sa ligtas na
sound
lugar at
on
evacuation
televisions, on
centers
both
ng inyong lokal na gobyerno.
televisions go up today, and yeah, it means it is the start of it means it is the start of the earthquake drill, which is we're going to happen from Manila to Cavite to Laguna and to Bulacan.
You can use anytime, anywhere.
Yeah. As it says on the earthquake emergency warning system, that it is only a drill.
Oh my god.
That the metro-wide earthquake drill is ongoing. Please duck, cover, and hold. The Metro Manila wide shake drill is to prepare the whole people of Metro Manila for an earthquake
That's kind
of
pretty
magnitude
scary.
7.2.
That's an
Hello people, and you are watching my YouTube video right now. I'm in my parents' room right now, and it looks like it improved a lot. And look, yep, that's me. And they put this mirror here in the room instead of my room, so I don't know why, because my mom do a lot of makeups. Also going to see, those are so many, I don't know. So yeah, so I think doing a video blog every day, I might not do that anymore, like everyday vlogging, since I'm so busy in schools from Monday to Friday. So yes, so I might going back to do videos maybe in the future, I mean soon. So I hope the future me who's watching it right now, I hope you understand, since I'm going to be busy starting next week until next year of September. So yeah, so I hope you liked what you've seen, the videos that what we did for the last 4 years. No, 3 years, 4 years. I don't know. So yeah, I'm so fat, as you're going to see. I'm fat. So I hope the future me do workouts while he works in the hospital. So, yep. Bye. I'll talk to you soon in the future.